Hey guys, welcome to J&J Auto Wrecking's test video for L1AU321. This is a 2001 Audi TT Quattro 225 6-speed car. Comes to us with a light front end tap here and a case of leprosy on the clear coat. It is just popping off everywhere. Very, very nice car though all the way around besides the clear coat issues. Do a quick walk around here. The only actual body damage is that left front besides the clear coat delete kit. Tornado pink, yeah. Really like these cars though. Very nice set of 18-inch OZ Superleggera wheels. We're gonna pop those off and powder coat them. They've got some very nice Continental DWS 06s on them. There's the AMU engine code T225. Stuttered there, it's all right. I believe it's an AMU. We'll find out here more in a minute. Let's go ahead and step inside here, fire this thing up, and see what she's all about. Ooh, wow, okay, yeah, I do not fit in these. I forgot about the TT life. Is that it? Is that it? What? There we go. Oh, okay, pinch control works on the windows, so we know that. Oh, box fail. Hot swap, hot swap. The box failed. 139,120 miles on it. While Dave runs around like a chicken with his head cut off, we will just test the windows. Pretend that we're not crazy. Where is the window switch? Passenger side goes up and down. It is stuck on the terrible window tint. All right, here we go. These guys stink. Second box fail. Is this what a NASCAR pit crew's like? Oh, they broke something. All right, hold on, wait for power. Okay, racing, all right. These guys are way too excited about a battery box. Oh, look, great guys, you gave me a check engine light.
Good, that's from the damage in the front.
Good, oh, it's from the damage in the front. Check the engine headlight. There's a squiggly line with angry faces on it. Squiggly line alert. Just kidding, guys. It's the typical Volkswagen coolant light. Let's give her some revs here. Nice and smooth, no lifter noise. Let's go ahead and test out the transmission. We got, here we go, first gear. Oh, clutch is a little weak. Somebody didn't know how to drive stick. And let's test reversed. All right, there we go. Transmission checks out. Oh, I just noticed the previous owner has put a boost gauge in. She's not making any boost. There is no boost on the loose in this one. Maybe she popped an intercooler hose there. Test out the climate control. That is working well. Nice pixels there. Sorry for the sideways camera. Check out the interior here. People are throwing stuff in the middle of a test video. Oh boy. All right, there we go. Very nice set of leather seats. Well, nice enough, close enough for government work. A little bit of reconditioning on those would do great. Apparently they're not listed. Not nice enough. Well, who bought the car then?
I did.
He bought the car, but the parts aren't nice enough, and that's my fault.
That's Superleggera.
All right, guys. Anyways, a lot of nice parts on this car. Everything's gonna need repainted though. The mirrors are in great condition. They just need a respray. The door needs a respray. The fender doesn't need a respray. This fender has great clear coat still. All right. That's gonna wrap it up for L1AU321, our 2001 Audi TT 225 engine test video. All the parts off this Audi are gonna be for sale on our website, www.jnjautorwrecking.com. We'll pop a link in the description below, guys. Thanks for watching, and we're out.